In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your TradingView username and account 499. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look so you can copy these details quickly for support requests, integrations, or simply to confirm which account you are using. First, make sure you are logged in to TradingView. Once you are in, head to your profile icon. On the main site layout, you'll typically find it in the top right corner. If you are working inside certain chart views, the same icon can appear in the top left instead. It's usually your avatar or a simple user silhouette. Click that icon to open the account menu. Right in that menu, you'll see your username displayed prominently. This is your TradingView handle, the identifier others see. Don't confuse it with a display name or your full name. The username is the unique tag tied to your profile. If the menu shows multiple lines of information, the one that looks like your handle is the username. Take a moment to copy it if you need to share it or store it for later. Next, let's locate your account 499. This is a unique identifier associated with your account, and you'll find it within the Settings or Profile section. From the same Profile menu, go into Settings or Profile and look for a field labeled Account 499, or something similar. It's commonly listed alongside your plan, email, or basic account info. The wording can vary slightly depending on interface updates, but it will be in that general area. When you see it, copy it carefully so you have the exact 499. This is especially useful for troubleshooting with support or referencing the correct account in tools that require it. T here is also a quick way to confirm your username using the URL structure. When you are viewing your profile while logged in, check the address bar. TradingView formats profile links like this: www.tradingview.com/u/username/ everything after u is your username. This is a reliable way to double-check that you've captured it correctly, especially if you have multiple accounts or similar names. To recap the flow, log in. Click your profile icon in the top corner of the interface you are using. Note your username in the menu. Then open Settings or Profile to find your account 499. Use the profile URL as a simple confirmation of your username. Keep both pieces of information somewhere safe and accessible, and avoid sharing them in public spaces if you don't need to. That's all you need to confidently find your TradingView username and account 499.